Understanding, go through the mill. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, go through the mill. This expression is packed with meaning and history, and understanding it can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unravel the layers behind this intriguing phrase. The phrase, go through the mill, is used to describe experiencing a very difficult or challenging situation that tests one's strength or endurance. When someone says they've gone through the mill, it often means they faced trials or tribulations that have significantly affected them, either emotionally or physically. It's akin to saying someone has been through a tough ordeal or rough patch in their life. Understanding the origins of go through the mill adds depth to its meaning. Historically, this expression is believed to have derived from the Industrial Revolution, when workers endured long hours and harsh conditions in mills. These settings were grueling, and working there was literally like going through a rigorous and taxing process. Over time, the phrase evolved to symbolize undergoing any strenuous experience, not just those related to mill work. To help you grasp how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. After working on that project for months and facing so many obstacles, I really feel like I've gone through the mill. She's gone through the mill with her health issues this year, but she's coming out stronger. Preparing for the championship was like going through the mill. It tested my limits. These sentences show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from professional struggles to personal challenges. To broaden your vocabulary, it's useful to know synonyms or phrases with similar meanings. Here are a few: been through the ringer, faced a tough time, endured hardships, survived a trial. Knowing these alternatives allows for more expressive and varied communication. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of go through the mill. We hope this video has not only enriched your understanding of this phrase but also inspired you to persevere through your own mills in life. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with its own mills, but overcoming these challenges makes the journey all the more rewarding. See you in our next video, and happy learning!